Today's topic, that is the division in nervous system. You can see here. You are seeing that this is the figures in which, listen carefully which I am saying, because this is the very necessary to understand the completely figures. This is part is called the brain, and below brain spinal cord is present. A straight line which is seeing you. This is the spinal cord, and this part is called brain. In the brain, this part, this means first circular rope, first half circular rope is called the forebrain. Second, that is the midbrain, and third is called hindbrain. Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain, and this together is called brain. Because forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain is the part of brain. Okay, and below that straight part is called the spinal cord, and this spinal cord length is 45 centimeter and its weight is 35 gram. Okay, length of this spinal cord is 45 centimeter long and 35 gram in weight. Okay, in a breast man. And this is the body wall. This is the body wall, and which you are seeing this, the circular is called somatic organ. This is the somatic organ. Okay, this somatic organ is a skeletal voluntary muscle that can be present on wall or in wall. This means this somatic organ is now here present on wall, on body wall, and this is present in the in wall. This means here somatic organ is present on wall, and here somatic organ is present in wall. Okay, and this visceral organ is present in coelom. This space we are seeing inside the body, in that space visceral organ is present. This means in coelom visceral organ is present, in coelom visceral organ is present, and in wall, on wall and in wall present somatic organ. Somatic organ is present in wall or on wall, and visceral organ is present in coelom. Okay, this space which are seeing, this is the coeloms, and this is also which space you are seeing, because coelom means a space, so this is called the viscera or coelom. Okay, this means which space you are seeing in this body, that space is called the coelom. Okay, here I want to tell you that nervous system. Okay, nervous system, unit of nervous system, that is the neuron. Nervous system is the mass of neurons. Okay, so now what is the neuron? You know good way that neuron is the unit of nervous system, and nervous system that is completely divided into two parts: central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, brain and spinal cord, and in peripheral nervous system, cranial nerves plus spinal nerve present. Cranial nerve plus spinal nerve. And here, cranial nerve, that is cranial nerve and spinal nerves is present in peripheral nervous system, and peripheral nervous system is divided into two parts, voluntary and involuntary. Voluntary part, that is also called somatic nervous system, that is by nerves of somatic organ, and involuntary peripheral nervous system, that is also called visceral nervous system, and this visceral nervous system involuntary, that is by nerves of visceral organs. Okay, this means that voluntary nerves that arise from the somatic organs and involuntary nerves that arise from visceral organs. Okay, and you know that cranial nerve, that is a 12 pairs, and spinal nerves, that is 31 pairs. Okay, and which is the 12 pairs cranial nerve present and which is the 31 pairs spinal nerve present? In the next classes we will take that of names of 31 pairs spinal nerves, 12 pair cranial nerves, and where that is present. We will take the complete knowledge about that in the next classes.